Okay, so good afternoon, class. So, how are you in this afternoon? Okay, it's nice to hear that you're all fine and good today. By the way, class, is there any absent today? It's great. So, let's give ourselves a round of applause. So now, class, before we move on, let's have our classroom rules. So, everyone, please read. Okay, thank you, class. So, I hope that these classroom rules will be followed throughout our lesson in this afternoon. It is clear, class. Okay, very good. So now, let's have an activity. So, are you ready for our activity class? Okay. So, please read the direction. Okay, so you will group into two. So, there are five secret exercises hidden in a jumbled letters. All you need to do is to arrange the letters to find out what exercise it is. Once the group guess the correct answer, then they will perform it together. Understood, class? Okay, very good. So, let's start the first exercise. Okay, very good, group 1. You did the correct answer. So, perform it together. Okay, thank you. Next. Very good, group 2. You got the correct answer. So, group 2, please perform it together. Okay, thank you, group 2. Next. Okay, Langes. Very good, group 1. You did the correct answer. So, please perform it. Okay, next. Okay, very good, group 2. It is squat. So, please perform it together. And last. Very good, group 1. Push up is the correct answer. So, the winner for today's activity is group 1. So, everyone, please give group 1 a round of applause. Okay. So, please all settle down and go back to your seat, everyone. So now, class, I have some questions to you. So, what have you feel after doing those exercise? Okay, you feel tired. Okay. Okay, you feel tired because doing those exercise is we need to have an enough strength in order for us to perform those exercise. So class, who among you here experience those kind of exercise? Maybe at your home, in your home, or anything, or anywhere. Yes, Rizalino. What kind of exercise did you do? Okay, push-ups. So did you do it regularly or sometimes? Okay, did you do it sometimes? So class, if we do those exercise every day, so how does it help in our daily life? Okay, it helps us to keep healthy and stay active every day. And also, yes, thank you. So and also it helps us to make our work easily because doing those exercises, our muscles has been improved. So now class, did you know that those exercise that we performed earlier relates of what is our topic in this afternoon? So who among you here have an idea of what is our topic today? Okay, very good. Our topic for today is all about strength training exercise. But before we proceed to our formal discussion, let's read our objective first. So everyone please read. Okay, thank you. So those are the learning objectives that we will achieve during our lesson this afternoon. So class, who among you here have an idea of what is strength training? Yes. Okay. Strength training is an exercise that we need proper or enough strength in order for us to perform those exercise or routine. So everyone please read the definition of strength training. Okay, strength training means that when our muscle push or pull against resistance, it helps us to improve our muscles, increase our stamina, and also help us our body to develop properly. So class, what do you think are the importance of doing physical activity, especially the strength training exercise? Anyone? Yes, it is important because it supports our movement every day and also to prevent us from injuries. So class, what do you think are the other benefits of doing strength training exercise? Anyone? Yes, it's help. Strength training is not just also for building strong muscles or making our muscles improve. It is also help us to stay healthy, keep, keep active, and build us confidence. So now class, since we are already discussed what is strength training, let's proceed to its examples. So first is push up. So everyone please read. Okay. Push up. Push-ups are performed with the body forming straight line from the heels. The body is lowered until the chest is approximately 1 feet off the ground, then push off the ground to return to its original position. So please observe class the video that I will show you because later on we will perform it together. So please observe. Okay, for proper push-up, you need to keep your elbows close at the side of your body. Understood? Okay, so let's perform it together. Okay, thank you. So next is plank. This is a fantastic for your core muscles. You hold your body in a straight line, supported in the forearms and toes like a stiff board. So class, please observe the video that I will show you because we will perform it together. Okay, done. So let us perform it together. Okay, hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, thank you everyone. So next is squats. Form an upright position with arms and hands crossed in front of the chest or up. Squat squat lower until the thighs are parallel to the ground. The chest and butt must be pushed out and the knee must not thrust forward before the toes. Return to the original position, keeping both legs and slightly. Okay, so please observe the video. Okay, so now let us perform it together. Okay, thank you, class. So next is Superman. So lie face down with arms extended forward, left arms and legs simultaneously off the ground. Keep head neutral, eyes looking down, hold for 10 seconds, then rest and repeat. So please observe. Okay, so now let's all demonstrate. Okay, thank you. So last is lunges, forward lunge. So step forward with one leg, lowering hips until both knees bend at 90 degrees. Keep front knee directly over ankle, never pass toes. Back knee hovers just above the ground. Push through front heel to return to start position. So it's just like this class. Please observe. Okay. Okay, so now let's perform it together. Okay, thank you for your cooperation, class. So I really appreciate your performance. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, since we already done to its examples, and I hope that you already know the proper form of each exercise. So do you have any questions or clarifications regarding in our lesson in this afternoon? Okay, since none, let's proceed to another activity. So everyone please read. Okay, your activity is you will group into three. So each group will perform a exercise routine showing the five different strength training exercise, doing 10 repetitions or 16 seconds for each one. So I will give you 5 minutes to practice with your group. So once the time is up, you will perform it together in front. Understood, class? Okay, very good. But before you proceed to your practice, please read the rubrics. Okay, thank you. So let's start your so start your practice now. Okay, time is up. So group one will first perform. Okay, thank you, group one. Next, group two. Okay, group two, you did a great performance. So let's give group two a round of applause. Okay, next, group three. Okay, thank you, group three. So please all settle down. So all of you class have got a perfect score. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. So now class, since you already we already done in our lesson this afternoon, so let's recall of what have you learned in our topic this afternoon. So what are the five exercises under in strength training? Okay, thank you. So how does the those exercise important? Okay, thank you. So, what are the other benefits of doing those exercise, the strength training exercise? Okay, very good. So now, since you already understand of what is our topic today, let's have a quiz. So everyone, please read the instructions. Read each question carefully and choose the best answer from the opinions provided. Write your answer in a one-fourth sheet of paper. Okay, so let's start number one. Done? Okay, number two, number three, number four. Okay, number five, the last number. Okay, so please exchange your papers with your seatmate. So let's check. Number one, letter C. Number two, letter B. Number three, letter C. Number four, letter D. Number five, letter B. Okay, so count off the correct answers and put the score in the upper right of your paper. So please submit it in the front. Okay, thank you. So before we end this meeting, so please read your assignment. Okay, thank you for your presence today, class. So do you have any questions or clarifications? Okay, if none, you're dismissed. Thank you.